This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com. Hi, this is Muscle, and this is another edition of Two Line Music Hut's Entertainment Report podcast. And tonight, we have a guest that I told him last time he was here, I can't wait to see him again, and he's here just as quick. You know who we have in the building? We have RYGIN King in the building tonight. What's good, big boss?
Yeah, there, I don't know. All them said, man.
Yeah, man. Yeah, dog.
Yeah, dog. Said
Everything's good.
Yeah, man. Said, man.
All right. How is Toronto treating you right now?
Yeah, good. I don't know the vibes. Good, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
All right, because I know you're on a tour. This is actually the last time you're here. I think you left and you went back to Jamaica, and then you went to England on tour.
Yeah.
Yeah, how was that tour there?
Yo, it's tough, man.
Yeah.
I tell you.
All right. Where were some of the places you stopped in England?
Yeah, London, Manchester, I don't know, Gloucester.
Yeah.
some people name.
Yeah.
All over the place, man. But I tell you, I don't know, unique turnouts, and
Yeah.
we love the vibe.
Yeah, for sure, because I've seen it, but I know that I think it was probably your second to last date. There was a lot of issues where they had to keep changing the venue and they couldn't really tell you where it was.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that means you was very in tune to what was going on at the time then.
Last time you met me, I was very in tune, so I'm still in tune right now.
Yeah, because something definitely like that happened.
Yeah. All right. And how is the Canadian tour right now?
Yeah, man, I don't know. I want to go on good, man. I tell the people them I support the event, them, and I don't know, 6th of April, we're there in the place, I don't know, the Bass Club, that in Markham.
Yeah.
You see me, so, and I don't normal, you see me.
And that's your last show before you actually leave?
Yeah, that's the last show, so I don't know.
Okay.
The people them first do the right thing and I want to get the ticket them, you know?
Yeah. How many shows have you done since you were here?
Yeah. Not even a count, but a couple. Well,
yeah.
We know more than 6 shows.
Okay.
Yeah, I know that's more than 6 shows, you know.
Yeah.
And we go Winnipeg, we go Vancouver, we go Ottawa, we go Montreal, Nova Scotia.
Okay.
Yeah, all over the place, man.
All right. And where has been the most interesting vibes that you've gotten so far? Somewhere where you didn't really think, and then you say, yeah, man, this vibes, I like this vibes here.
You know, all of them, because I guess, you know, we never did expect to turn out them for stay out in the stay, so all of them did a good vibes, because, you know, especially the places them where dancehall not so popular, or, you know, everything not so fast as in the city.
For sure.
In like out Toronto, you don't know, everybody come to Toronto.
Yeah.
But they don't know, I tell you, everywhere. So that's why I'm going to say all I place them, all a good vibe. I'm going to say none of them especially.
Okay. And especially because I guess a lot of them, well, majority of them, that was actually your first time being there.
Yeah. First time being there. So that's why I tell you, I love the energy.
Yeah. The vibes.
Yeah, man.
I told you, and I mean, and Toronto's going to see you again. You said April 6th. You're going to be at Bass Club.
Bass Club, man. I don't know. I want to go not normal.
Yeah.
Because last day that say I don't know. Last day that for people them really see me in action.
Yeah.
Toronto for just turn out, you see me?
It makes sense, you know, because I know you've been doing a lot of work, especially from the last time I seen you.
Yeah, man.
You have a lot of new songs out. You put out a new video. Let's get into some of those stuff there right now.
Yeah.
All right? Right now, the big song I see you have out that's bubbling hot right now is Monument.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, that's why the party April 6th name Monument. Man.
Yes, man.
RYGIN King and Jamal Teacher live. Yeah, man.
That's a big song. The only thing I noticed with that one there is it wasn't produced in-house. It was actually produced out-of-house. Good productions.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Because I know usually everything is in-house.
Not really everything, but I don't know.
Yeah, majority of it.
But if it just come up, it just come up. It doesn't really specialize. I don't like say, intentionally certain things just happen like way, isn't it?
Yeah.
But as me I say, good production is a good production.
Yeah. No, for sure, because what they put into their music, how they deal with it, their videos, how they master and engineer and even build a rhythm is always good.
Yeah, man.
Good.
Yeah, man. good, man. Big up Zoom and if it's true.
Yeah. How did you even come up with that song there?
I don't know. I just being myself at all times in my song, you know?
Yeah.
You know, just another road again. I say, where are you, RYGIN King?
Yeah.
You don't say tough already. I say things don't change.
Yeah.
You see me? I say, my grind, you see me? So, And you say a Star Life other day said we say, I say, alright, today I have to stay, so I like it, they have to go with monument, you know.
Yeah.
If I mention dancehall, I have to call my name, you know.
Yeah.
So it's just like I just say forward, isn't it?
Makes sense. Since you brought that up, this is where I wanted to go with you now. Right now, they say that you're the breakout artist of 2018. All right? But you're also saying that you are the artist of 2018. All right?
Yeah, well, anyway, them say me are the breakout artist.
Yeah.
Me, well, whatever they say, you see
Yeah.
me? All me I say, yo, you see me? Whatever it is, you see me? As me tell them, monument, you see me?
Yeah.
When they mention dancehall, they have to call my name, you see me?
Yeah.
I must say, yo, they never did know about RYGIN KING, you know. And we do what we do for their assignment, and they know about we are now, so.
Yeah.
I want, you see me? Monument, yeah, dog.
Makes sense. Okay, so it's whatever they want to say, they could say, but
Yeah.
you know what you feel and what you know, and the
Yeah.
camp knows.
Yeah. So it was just like that.
Yeah.
2018 just done with that, whatever they want to say, isn't it?
Yeah, no, definitely give you the thing. You're definitely 100% give you the breakout artist of the year. That's not even up for argument.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Anything else they want to say, that's up to them. But that right there,
Yeah.
that's yours.
Yeah, man.
You know what I mean?
Tough.
I remember when you were up here too, we were talking about treason.
Yeah.
And then you said, you know what, you're looking to film, but I guess you didn't get to really video it up here. You went back home and you filmed it. Seen the video.
Yeah.
Crazy.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, man, the video tough, man, isn't
Yeah.
it? Yeah, man, cheesy, man.
Yeah.
Girl, them love a song, they fans them love a song, no matter how fuck, isn't it?
Yeah.
So, yeah, isn't it? So, girl, them want to see that song they performed by RYGIN KING, them just turn out April the 6th, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Big song. You know what I mean? How did you guys even come up with the video?
You know, Dario Magics know what I do.
Yeah. Yeah.
He was doing thing.
Yeah, because right now that video is at about almost 2 million views. When it comes to the millions, you seem to be the million man right now, always pushing out the million views, million odd. You know what I mean? Why do you think you're really getting that type of reception on the internet right now?
As I said that, so some just come to me because you don't know.
Yeah.
When I look into it, that's why. Because as me I say, monument.
Yeah.
You have to stay. That's why. Isn't it?
Yeah.
Guess what? You have to understand. Say people them really, them system is a man way. I'm ready enough, you know.
Yeah.
And some people might be just say, I wonder if I'm ready enough. You understand? So big up to you, all the people them we believe in me. You understand? And the other is a people them where, you know, them doubt. But guess what? Eventually, I say go, you know.
Of course.
Eventually, they will, you know, they'll come around. You know, I wanna fight none of them. You know,
Yeah.
because we need them, funds them.
Nobody believes until they believe.
Yes,
You know
that's
what
why
I mean?
I say the millions them will go up because I guess you know. It bother them for say, oh, why so much people
Yeah.
say already? So it's like they will have to look on it too,
Yeah.
or they will have to say, oh, what, yeah. So you know.
And try to understand what really is going on.
Yeah. So as I say. The fans them make it happen the way it happen, you see me? So I have to just big up the fans them, you see me?
And keep it rolling from there.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Definitely I big that up because I know that you're still getting your feet wet. You've done Canada, you've done UK, you've done some of the states or a lot of the states already.
We done a couple of places in the States, but I don't know no go back in the States and murder.
Yeah, because States is a big market.
We love to say murder on podcast.
Yeah. Yeah.
But it's good just to see them still. I say, oh, you don't know. When we touch back in States, the people, them, I support the event them because it's like I wasn't there for a while now. Isn't it?
Yeah.
So, I say, oh, the one that go tough.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
So what's the movements from here? When you leave Canada, where's the next forward movements from there?
Well, right now, movements never stop.
Yeah.
You know, just know say RYGIN KING is just like making name all about right now. It's not just like me just forward to Canada and then you we done this, so, you know.
Yeah.
Remember say other countries like never see me yet, and there's like crying for see RYGIN King, and them want to see RYGIN King. So you don't know. So we have them bookings there forwarding right now too, you see me?
Yeah.
So we are look out for a lot of places, man, you see me, like Africa and all heap of places.
Okay.
So and the work now to stop this because you don't know, we have to keep on putting in the work, the energy. Understand? So look out for 2 bad video, and you don't know, some hot music right now. Definitely.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because the thing I always wondered is, with you being on the road so much, when do you actually get time to actually sit down and record and actually build up some new material?
You know, so I record on the road.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I record me, you know, all on the road, man. All even all. If I just left right or song, I feel like someone do a song, man, you know.
Yeah.
I'm glad, you know, so we have equipment in house. You can just do that right away.
Yeah.
You know, I vibe that, and then maybe me just voice it over professionally, and then just, you know, get it mixed by the engineer them said way.
That's the magic of modern technology nowadays. You could be on a tour bus, you're voicing, and then you just put it out there and take it from there, you know what I mean?
Yeah, but differently, I have to sit down and just put it in the work said way still, so I don't like we neglect that, but I just do, we have to do this, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
All right. What I wanted to ask you about also is Mobia. Last time we spoke, I remember you told me, you're the first person to tell me that there's a 6 in Montego Bay. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Yes. Yeah, because first time I was 40, I say, I go on in that, oh, you feel nice 6. And I say, yeah, man. I feel 6 feel at 2 because, you know, we used to the 6.
Yeah. Makes sense. You know what I mean? So what's going on out there? Because I know right now there's a lot of crop of artists coming out of Montego Bay, the 6 right now. Is everybody getting along, or it's more like you guys over here and we're over here and everybody's just doing their own thing?
Well, really and truly, if I ask a question there again, because I have to really know if you are trying to say if segregation are going, because me not really no segregation.
It's not even segregation. Sometimes it's like, listen, you don't have to agree or disagree. It could be, okay, the man them are over there, we're over here doing our thing. If we link, we link. If we don't link, we don't link.
Well, you know everybody have them own a team and them own management, but you don't know man a link, man a friend, isn't it? You understand? But differently still from that, I don't know. Are we are the younger generation, so we have to hold the thing, isn't it?
Yeah.
And keep up the thing right way. If a man want to feel stupid and do foolishness, that's his problem. But you don't know, we out here do the right thing, and you don't know.
Yeah.
We just say all for one and one for all right now.
Good. That's what I wanted to hear. Yeah? You know what I mean? Because there's so much going on right now. And it's for you to say, okay, segregation, that would really mash up the thing right now.
Yeah, because I guess you know, everybody look out and up on the side, you know. Look, it wasn't that frequently looked on in years back.
No.
Everybody need to look on Mobile. Like how them look on it right now, because you have so many talents jump out right now where they must say, oh God no, them youth, So we just show the world, say, it's possible no matter where you're in Jamaica.
Yeah. You guys have it on lock. And explain to me exactly where in Montego Bay is this 6? Or is it just the whole of Mobile?
Well, you don't know. We don't know if 6 originate from South Springs, still no big up Squash man, because you don't know a film click that.
Okay.
You see me?
Yeah.
Squash, you don't know.
Of course.
I'm a friend, so
yes,
and a film click that still, you see me? You don't know, say I feel with friend them said we.
Yeah.
You understand? So it's like I just whole family thing from longer time, and I just know still, you see me?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Got you. Yeah, I'm so glad that you clarified that and that everybody's on the same vibe, because right now for everybody to be on a different page wouldn't look good for Mobile, especially when you guys are getting the bright spotlight right now. And I mean, everybody's looking at you guys right now. Yeah. So if we're fighting, that's not going to look good. It's not a good look.
Okay. Seems like you got some fun. I don't know if you've ever been told that something like that as
No. It's just I know I've been in the music business a long time. When any area is hot, what it is a lot of people. It's either they start to separate or everybody links as one.
Well, you know what I mean? You know, I believe say unity a better strength.
Of course,
bigger strength.
You know what I mean? And I seen you still working on your farm and stuff like that.
Yeah, I want that thing.
Seen the videos.
Yeah, so, you know, as I say, we have so many things going on right now. So, you know, we don't even have time for bad energy. Think about it. You know, just think about so much progress, and you can make your downfall be your most ultimate defeat, and you can never stand again. You know, that's like, yo.
It doesn't make sense.
It makes sense. Cause you have so much things that do. Imagine me now, the writer now, and you have some people down in Nigeria. I listen how me grow, and them a cry high water.
Listen.
And the mountain, and you know, them a expect for see me one day and them think that.
Yeah.
You see me? So, yo, we couldn't have time for waste on bad energy, because the people them like look up to it on a different level now. You know, and I like say, yo, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I tell you, things just different now, so we have to do the right thing now.
Good. Exactly it. Do the right thing. You know what I mean? I like that. Aspirations, what do you plan on doing for 2019? What else do you have in store that you really want to do? You haven't gotten to it yet, but you plan on doing it in 2019.
Really and truly?
Yeah.
My album, really and truly, that's my main aim, my album.
Yeah.
You know, because right now, my music, them not really there for just ramp with, like, you know, play with today and then tomorrow, the ties is broken.
Yeah.
Can't be played with again.
Yeah.
You know? So, I work on my album.
Yeah.
That's my real, like, my New Year's resolution.
Good.
Even though the New Year part, it's still a New Year.
Yes.
Right now, we're in the New Year. So
yes.
As I say, that's my real resolution right now, so I have to work on that.
All right, and how many tracks do you think you'll be putting out on the album?
Yeah, definitely, I feel more than put 20 tracks on the album, you know.
Okay.
And it's like, yo, I never really want to put 20 tracks on one album.
Yeah.
Because you say, yo, why you didn't put 20 tracks on an album? I say, yo, just because I feel I owe that to my fans, you see me?
Makes sense.
Yeah, I believe some owe that 20 tracks to my fans on an album for really listen to me. You know, and take time for give me for the late.
Yeah.
Because me definitely have some hits, so I go, you know, have to flip and drop back on the album.
Yeah.
You see me? And some new material, you see me, where inspiring is as well, is inspiring as well as the first set of songs them where get me here, you see me?
So you would get like Tough and those type of stuff will be on the album, but I guess a lot of brand new music will be on also.
Yeah, man, definitely. Definitely. Same song.
Yeah. Any collabos that you're thinking of so far?
Yeah, man, I only for collab, man, but I don't know. I don't like me can't say now.
Yeah.
But I don't know, we're only for collab, so right now, RYGIN KING, don't know RYGIN KING open for work, because that's what it's about.
Yeah.
You see me? I'm just like, as me I say, I'm just like, we just come out for just sit down, so. You see me? Yeah, man, say if you have two body artists link, you just hook me up. You see me? Yeah.
One link.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. It makes sense. I like the fact that you guys are so open to actually working with a lot of people, because I'm telling you, when you were here when was the last time you were here? You were here it was last year, right? It was November.
No, I don't think November. I think it's November.
It was November, eh? Wow. You know what I mean? And the vibe was just bubbling up, the dancehall, trap dancehall and those. It was just bubbling up. But now you hear that song and you know that sound right away.
Who you feel it belongs to?
I know who it belongs to. I know that you guys were the one. You guys brought it first, and then it expanded from there. But that's how everything is gonna go.
Well, if might be enough people even know, so they might even do that. Then just say, oh, all right, yo, yeah, this is the new style now. All right, we have to go singing it. So they don't even know if that them do or not, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, but as me I say, one at a time we just figure say, oh, right now. Just a new style, this a dancehall as a younger generation, as me. We just add a little flavor to feel thing, as me.
Yeah.
So a little different style to feel thing. So we call it dancehall trap, as me. Because we love the beat them flow.
Yeah.
And you don't know, we have to keep the tropical vibe said we on the dancehall. We got to entertain feel crowd meanwhile, as we are trying to reach out to others.
Makes sense.
You understand?
Makes sense.
So that's why we call it dancehall trap.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
No, man, and I totally rate that, because right now, even the whole sound of dancehall itself is changing. When you look at artists like Coffee and stuff like that, it's a different feel. It's not the regular cultural type of vibe. The whole vibe is different.
Yeah. Yeah. I just survive.
Yeah.
We love the vibe still, isn't it? Yeah, man. Shout out to Coffee, man. We love the vibe, man.
Yeah.
We love the energy, man. I don't know. We love the new talent, them. Cause, yo, me I tell you, it's unique to see how RYGIN King does forward pan in a dancehall and me been accepted to with the people them we look up to from, you know, like them time till now. So, isn't it?
Makes sense.
Yeah, man, I mean, man, so.
All right. RYGIN, it's always a pleasure when you come around. You know what I mean? Your vibe is just so easy, so smooth. We want to talk about Saturday night. What are you here to do?
Yeah.
Then we're going to give you the floor and get you out of here.
Yeah, man, I don't know. Saturday night, the night, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Monument, Jamal teacher, you don't know. RYGIN King always have whole heap of artists. And it's not just me alone from my campus. So as me I say, we don't know, we bring in Jamal teacher from Jamaica said we come to the right thing, people request him. Yeah. So a monument, I don't know.
Fully Dunce.
Yeah, man. Fully. And when we say that too, you know, want the people to get a clarification to that, clarify that right way, because they have to understand, say, when we say that, it's just that we mean that I just feel weird that I've been how we act, you know? Yeah. It's not like we illiterate.
Yeah, it's just a thing.
Yeah, it's just a thing.
Yeah.
Like how people they have other slang for other things, you see me? You see me? So it's just a thing for we, you see me? That's just how we behave. Mm-hmm. You understand? It's just a behavioral thing.
Yeah. No, man, I got you 100. Trust me. Saturday night is going to be amazing over
wicked, there. Wicked, man. Monument, man. I don't know. As me I say, we have whole heap of prizes and surprises, so girl them can come and they don't even know what can happen for them right now. So as me I say, Markham are the place to be.
Boss Club.
You understand that at 10 Esna Park Drive. Yeah, man. Don't know the crowd I go live.
Trust me, and especially I know it's your send off, so you're gonna give them everything that you saved up from the entire tour and just give it to them that night there. You know what I mean?
Everything I go well tough, man.
Man. Trust me.
Yeah.
Okay, anybody you want to big up, anything you want to say, any contact you want to leave, just leave it now. The floor is totally yours.
Yeah, you don't know, as me I say, big up everybody. As me, big up everybody will make it possible.
Yeah.
Because without the fans, it would be possible for me just forward in Canada and keep show, you see me?
Yeah.
More than have to just come here and I try to push out CDs and try to promote and them thing there.
Yeah.
But we still promote right now, said we, even though we've been known. Because we need to be known to others, said we.
Yeah.
You see me? So it's always up and up. You see me? So we have to just try to do the right thing. So big up everybody. And you see me? Not specifically.
Yeah.
Big up all I done stocks them and big up all them friends them. You see me?
Yeah.
You don't know the thing already, man.
All right. Man. And when they want to check you out on Instagram, what's your official? Because there's a lot.
Right now, them don't know me get the stick, you know.
Okay.
The official stick, you know. RYGIN King, you know, so you don't know RYGINKING, man, and the official stick did it for sure, see me. You see me? So
RYGIN.
Yeah, man.
It's been a great one again. Thank you so very much for passing through.
Definitely.
As I told you, I would see you again, and I didn't realize it was from November. Now we're here in April. Before the year is done, we're going to see you again, you know, and we're going to sit down again and continue where we're going. This is like a continuous interview podcast right here.
Definitely.
You know what I mean?
Man, definitely, man. I don't know the thing already, man.
Big up yourself, right?
Two-line music out, I don't know. Glad to be here.
Always, my pleasure. Ladies and gentlemen, well, that was RYGIN King, and this was another Two-Line Music Hut's Entertainment Report podcast, and we are out. This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinemusichut.com.